Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to show you a key mod. This is a pretty silly mod for your car, but honestly this key is pretty boring and it goes to my Porsche 718 Cayman GT4 as you can see, I mean, it's just your average normal Porsche key, which is a pretty cool key. I like the form factor and stuff like that, but I don't like how boring it is. So today I turned it into this. This is a kit I ordered from Amazon. It's the Club Sport GT4 key. Basically, your key comes apart pretty easily. You know, you just, here, I'll demonstrate on this one. The back, oops. There we go. This is your valet key, and then give it a little tug as a lever on this part. That's where your battery is. That comes out. Then these two side panels pop out pretty easily. You just kind of put a little screwdriver or something super thin in between. Make sure you don't mar up your key too badly, like that, and then you can just pull it apart. These two side panels come out. Then the bottom part of that bezel comes out, which comes all the way out to here. And this part you have to kind of pull and pull out this way. That reveals this top portion, this chrome portion. That pops up from the back like that, as you can see, and then kind of lifts and comes out the front. And then you can replace all the parts with the parts that are in this kit that comes in this box from China. And it makes your key not so boring anymore. And this is the Club Sport car has actually been the background on my desktop for a couple of years now. And I absolutely love the looks of that car. And while it would be very difficult to wrap my car that way, it is certainly not very difficult to make my key look like that car. I thought that was pretty cool. Anyway, I'll leave a link to the key in the description here, and hopefully you enjoy it. Get yourself one. They're pretty cool. Look, it's pretty nice quality, actually. I mean, look at the fit and finish of the key. It probably won't last very long. I'm guessing this is like everything else from China that's gonna kind of eventually over time wear out and look pretty beat up, but I can always put the old one back in. But yeah, pretty cool.